Good morning. Schoen Roofing with another amazing video. Today we are replacing a plumbing stack flange on a flat roof. It's a tar and gravel roof, and we are going to show you how we do it. Let's see if we found the leak. Couple holes, so looks like we found the leak. Okay, so first thing we do is we scrape around the flange enough that we can get the flange out. Now we need a hammer. We'll pry it out. A lot of condensation. So you can see two ways to do it is you spray foam inside this flange to stop condensation from running back down inside. Or you do what I do, which is easier but more expensive, is you buy a pre-insulated flange. That way there is no chance of, you can see right here how the spray foam is not high enough. So this is still going to condensate and go inside. That's not good. Once you see that edge, you should be able to peel it up. Yeah, there she is. So flanges are sometimes screwed down. This one looks like it's not. There it is. So you can see the spray foam that they put inside. Not my favorite way to do it. So just have to peel some of this off. If we can, nice and gentle. Throw all the foam in there for Tom. Water on that side? Okay.
You can see it all.
Whenever we do one of these, because we want to make sure there's evidence of that leak being here. Just check this side. Oh yeah, this is all wet there. Close up. So this is all wet, so water definitely getting in here, and it was a slow leak. Oh yeah, look at the water here underneath. Just chip a little bit of that away. Yeah, not too much. There it is. There it is.
Oh, nice.
So this is all wet. Thank goodness we found it. Sometimes these are a pain. That's pretty good. Okay, so Tom, if you want to go down, grab the blower.
Yep.
And a garbage bag.
Yep.
Thank you very much. We'll get this cleaned up, and then we'll pop in the new one. This one zoom back out. Sweet. All right. Here's our base target patch, so that we can figure out how much of this gravel we have to get off the roof. Beauty. So you're going to use our Karnak for wet and dry surfaces. Before we do this, we'll show one more time where the leak was. So this is our flange, and you can see this is all wet inside here. So this plastic cement was actually holding water out probably for a number of years, and eventually it just dried out and cracked. So now we're gonna install a new flange on top. 3-inch spun aluminum. We're going to use our plastic cement on the bottom, which creates a very nice seal to the roof below. Do not skip this part, it's very important. Okay, center that baby on here. Can you get my Sawzall, Tom? And a metal blade.
Yeah.
So we're actually going to cut this down because our lid is not quite going to fit inside. Actually, I can charge the batteries in the truck on the way to poke over. Yes.
Any shots out there?
Everybody wants to see some dude holding a fire stick, man.
Let me burn something!
Yeah.
That's true. Putting the metal on. Some cap. I was actually worried this wasn't the leak because I couldn't get it to get any water out. So, just my best estimated guess. But it's hard sometimes on these roofs when it's a really slow leak. Find out Wednesday. Lots of rain. Chris from Schoen Roofing. That's how you replace a plumbing flange on a flat roof. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you next time.